Alright, we're going to be unboxing a HoloLens, Microsoft HoloLens. This is actually one that we have along with us on the trip, so figured we had an opportunity to take a look at an unboxing experience. It's a very handsome box. It's got a blue detail edge around there. We'll get a closer look at that in just a second. Let's see if it goes away. There we go. Got scissors on the way. Thank you, Julian. All right. Just enough. All right. Get ready to augment your reality. So we've got, actually the detail edges along the bottom. So we've got a nice blue line around there. A really nice looking sort of iridescent decal. I don't know how well that's going to show up on the video. Yeah, it's a nice looking box. Let's see what we got. Cool. Blue inlay in there. Let's set that over here. We've got the portable container. I think I'm supposed to open it this way. There we go. And there it is. A Microsoft HoloLens. Very impressive piece of technology. Definitely looking forward to the newer versions, allegedly coming out, I think they're saying maybe next year. But yeah, this is a pretty cool piece of hardware. And here we have, let's see, I'll set that there. And here we've got a little top piece of this. Maybe you could bring it in and kind of get a close-up of this little box here. Instruction manual. We've got it in French and we have it in English. We've got cleaning cloth, charging cable, USB. We've got the outlet. We've got, I actually don't know what this is. I would assume it's some kind of method. Oh, this is the top strap. This actually goes over this. This is the optional strap that goes across the top. And I think it goes into these slots, and then you've got an optional strap to go across the top for extra support. Pretty cool. So here's close-up of the Microsoft HoloLens. So this goes on an angle like this, and then we can loosen that up a little bit to fit my great big head. See if I can get it big enough to fit on my head. I shouldn't even try this because I'm going to do it wrong and then the internet is going to criticize me, but we'll give it a try if you can. So, let me see if I can turn it on. There's a button on the back that I'm pressing down. I think the last one that I opened had a charge enough that yep, sure enough, hello. So, unfortunately we don't have an easy mixed reality technique so you can't see what I'm seeing, but I'm seeing the word hello, and I'm seeing a little Windows logo. And away we go. Oh, I hear sound. Nice kind of intro song. Adjust your device to see all edges and say next to begin. So I'm going to save that part for later. I'll just work on that later, but that is pretty cool. Very interesting piece of hardware. We've got volume buttons on the top. So we've got volume up, volume down. We have brightness up, brightness down. And that power button that I was just pressing is right back here. So you press and hold that to start it up. And I'm guessing that this is where the sound is coming from, right out of these little speakers on the side. So they've got those there. Maybe you can kind of hear nice little song playing in there. So there's a little nose piece. And I should have read up on this before we make a video, but I think you take these out and you can replace them. They've got new ones in here. So you've got additional nose pieces as well. So that is the HoloLens. We also have a clicker. Let's take a look at the clicker. Similar graphic design on the box, a nice iridescent minimal pattern. I absolutely love the graphic design of it. Very cool. And ta-da! Clicker. Now on the last one that I opened, I thought it was kind of interesting how it feels when you click this, because the click, the thing that moves is actually the bottom piece, but that's not the depressed part that you press down to click. You actually click the top. So when you're pressing it, you're actually feeling the depression happen on the bottom. So it takes a little getting used to, but it's, you know, fairly intuitive. It's just a one-button clicker. Nice and simple. Pretty cool. So I think that's it. Microsoft HoloLens. Really looking forward to getting started. We've got a couple of these in the studio now, so we're going to start developing applications. We've got a couple of projects right out of the gates to get started with. So looking forward to this and many more augmented reality projects to come.